So I'll show you how I send the zig out. Baits on. Second bit of foam going that way. So you got it all set up like this. Nice little cast. And there it is. So you'll see here in a second I'm about to cast the zig out, which you've seen from the drone on this side, and I'll be casting it to mid water. You see it just about go out now, see it fall out a shot, and there you can see the zig, and when you wind in from the rod end, the float should go down like so. And then obviously when you keep winding, the hook bait is behind right there. Just a little cork ball, that is. A little flavoured cork ball. And then as you can see, that's gone down as well. And that's how you adjust your depths. Now this was the first of 2 tench that I had. Yeah, I think I figured out how to catch them on here anyway. That is, use chods. I've had 4 tench now on chods on smithpool, so yeah, I thought that's the way forward on them, to be honest. Yeah, they are nice fish though, to be fair. I mean, like, if I had to choose between bream and tench, you know, it's alright one, this one. And then this one was the one at night that I had. So, both pretty much similar size, to be honest with you. Not bad at all. Hey up guys, how's it going? So, on this session, if fishing was football, we've hit the post twice, hit the bar, and had 1 cleared off the line. So we've had 2 tench, 1 carp. I hooked it, like wasn't quite tight to the bush, but it was like my middle rod, which was this side, and I'm not joking you, by the time I got to it, it was in this bush over here. I couldn't believe it. I don't know what I was hooked into, but it moved pretty sharpish. So yeah, that's where we're standing at the moment. We've got 2 hours left. I've been doing a lot of zig fishing as well, because I've seen them. You'll see from the drone footage that see them knocking up and down on the opposite margin quite a lot. So yeah, we've got a couple of zigs out there. We've had them out since last night. Recasted them once this morning. I've altered the depth on one of them, and then I'm fishing one pretty much a foot from the surface. And the other rod is where I had the bite from, and where I've had the 2 tench from, coincidentally. So yeah, let's see how we go. Only got a couple of hours left now. Pretty much starting packing down. I've just got my last brew. Just doing my last brew now.